Good afternoon, chat. We are going to play some more Satisfactory today. The game loads. There it goes. Alright, so last time we were playing, up top, we decided to replace that kind of temporary basic iron factory that we made with a bigger machine like we did with copper over there. So we got the intake working. These are all making ingots. We've got 4 of these. We're gonna have 4 different items. We're gonna do iron rods, screws, iron plates, and rebar ammo because we can. We had like an extra refinery worth of stuff. Or smelter worth of stuff rather. So we're preparing this one first, doing greens, so it's making iron rods on these 2. Any of that up yet. From the center here, let's see, we're working on the green set. So we got the smelter, there's 2 constructors to the rods. And we were splitting those rods into 3 constructors to do screws. So that's what these are. 1 screws, that 1 screws, that 1 screws. So this will be screw up at level. Oh yeah, this is what we were playing with. We're messing with the conveyor belt. It was weirdly fighting with the machine. We wanted to move these 2 lines over this way, but without interfering with the construction arm there. And these aren't high enough to do that, and technically I can just make them higher. There's nothing wrong with that. I don't have to pull it forward either. But there, how hard we are relative to the machines. Should be fine. different from what we were planning on doing, but it will work better. That should make the plants. Still getting clipping? From what? I'll be okay then. It's technically in the building thing, but that's not gonna cause any problems. That should be fine then. A little bit. So we're even on both sides. So this will make all the screws. This is where we'll have to go up to the next level. Here now, let's connect these up. We're doing the center one here for the screw processing, so that will come from the main machines. About that, we have two on this side, so maybe we'll do, should have done that really on the other side, because that's where we have the double conveyors. Yeah, I guess that makes more sense. Do it now, though. What we'll do is we'll drop this back to a normal level. To there. Over here. Stackable foil. Spacing looks right. Three. That one to a normal one. These do Okay. Yep. Go there. 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 Okay. That should be fine. In which case, the one that we're using is this one. We have less machines here, so this should not be a problem. Terms with what? Nothing here. Okay. So that will full pipe all the ingots up to the next level. So we're done here other than power. This was piped, so we'll have to carry the screws from these three machines forward. So we'll need another conveyor merger. There. The view is there. All the screws going through the same spot to the export. Now, go ahead and put panel here. Oh, wait, where's the best place to ramp it up? Over here. For now. Full. So 1, 2, 3, and then we need 3 floors here. Not enough. That up. pipe everything up. Let's see. Go ahead and put the floor in. Then get basically the center going. So with screws done, carry one of those to one of the outer things, and then I guess the rest are trivial by comparison. So we've got a single constructor that can make plates. We do double constructors to make rods. Technically, we could do another floor, just like the one we just made with the 3 constructors, but combine 2 of these sections together. Like the rods and plates, we could do the 3 constructors there and we should be fine. Just have to break 2 of the conveyors out to do that. So we'll want to pipe those 2 offshoots into a into the main run here. So we're gonna have 2 on this side, so we'll have 2 conveyor lifts on that side. That. We'll use the 2 lifts in the center. Set up now. We will want to try to do this. Screws. We'll send into the offshoot on the side. Weirdly rotated, but that'll work. So that'll send 1 set of ingots that we can work with. Set another. Send that to the offshoot. What you want to do, right? So these 3 are easy because they're just constructors. this is going to be a little more complicated, as we need to do 4 constructors total, so that may require an additional level. Unless interesting. So we can't do all of that. Can't do all the rebar ammo on one level. We have to break it up into 2. But we could do the rods for the rebar ammo and this, and have 3 constructors, so make the plates and then the rods for that. Well, you know, because then we'll bump that up and then we'll still need another 2 constructors. Combine this in a way that makes sense. Without having to do an additional floor, but we may still have to. Could I do... Well, actually, I might still be able to do all these on one floor, because it's... I wouldn't even need a buffer, because it's the same input and output. So technically, I could put all 4 of these on one level. Okay, so we'll stick with the original plan. We'll do all of these on this floor. 3 constructors total. Okay, so that's all being fed up. We go up. Let's look at this real quick. We did place these. We need actually we're using 2 feeds here, so we need to split 3 machines. We're making 2 different projects, so we need to split 1 feed into 2, and then the other feed is normal. Slightly different placement there then. Actually, maybe there probably. Get away with it. So I can get that other conveyor out. Let's try that. Yeah, fine. Let's build out. So we'll need constructors. Have them placed roughly like that. This would be direct into there. This I'll need to move. one to come down the center, and I need the other to be able to fit into there. Is that going to cause a problem? No, it'll be fine. I'll go over there. This will move forward. Okay. That'll work. And what did I do for the placement of the other one? Those first two, and then it's barely in the border of the next tile. I believe is correct. Alright, so the two that are split are going to make rods. So you will make rods. You will make rods. And then you should be iron plates. When it's by himself. Yes. Alright, and then we'll just have to pipe these guys out here. Out some more. Then that should be taken care of now. The next thing, we need to pipe. Let's see. So I believe this is going to be the screws from down below. Yes. So this is finished screws, so we pipe those up. We'll need two of these finished for the plates and for the rods. Which means this belt is the last remaining ingots, which will need to be turned into rods and then into rebar ammo. So that one will have to be moved to the center. Get that build up again. What the heck? This off. Nope, that's not what we meant to do. We'll stare into the log over there. I will be right back. Alright, we're back. Yes, conveyor feeds. Let's do the thing. Okay, so this is the belt we usually use for this. So we need a splitter up here. It's in the usual spot. Here now, did I say this was the output? That was the carry forward. So first level, nine rods. That's right, that goes up through the middle. Those three are carried forward. So yarn rods are then turned into screws here. Screws are then being merged and piped into the end one. Then these two belts, one from either side, those are carried up in the middle for the basic rods and the basic plates. And it's this end one that's carried forward for the rebar. This is the rebar line. So this needs to be moved to the center, because it's that one that we will process with. Which means, actually, these two can be merged. This is offshoot. It's offshoot screws. This is offshoot for the rods. We need to do putting on the space in here. That's in the red. This is carry forward as well. Then we have to get that belt into the center. That. Door. Okay. We need to do to make 4 constructors total, which we can use more compact spacing. I'm gonna run into the thing. I might. Okay, I think. Okay. We don't need this. Alright, let's see. Constructors. Oh no, I'm missing iron plates. The iron. Ow. I got plenty of them. Do I have anything else? Got plenty of reinforced. Plenty rods. Fine for this moment, anyway. Way up. Okay. Next, this. All these will make rods. Rods. And we'll immediately feed into 2 more. You guys will make rebar. Then we can merge your output. that should be done other than running power. We will need to send all the materials down off the side. So let's break that. Break that at the moment. At 4 run this time. Maybe I should have started down there. I don't know if it's gonna happy with this. Nope. That's right. We had to do something funky. We had to like reverse place it. We're gonna get it put down. Yeah, like that. And then go down. Like that. Go back up again. And go down. We go back up. Just worry about the spacing. Okay. There. And then we get one more. that. Grass here. Guess the biofuel thing is finished for now. That's cool. Alright, so what I did for the copper... We're actually close on time. Not sure how I had to build up. Need all these out into storage containers. Which that we will have to work on next time. And then we'll wire it up and fix the ramp situation and then test it and we'll see how that goes. Thanks for joining me today, chat. You guys have a good day.